Hi everyone, so this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating his CMS project. And so as you can see, here is my context. And if we click on one of the contact, then the contact information will show up on the right side. They're all proxy users, proxy context list. And so because right now I don't have the logic to switch between different pages, so I have to manually change what page I want to go to. So this is the context. If we want to go to a message, and then we save and run, and here is my message page. And you can see I have 3 pre-made messages. First one is from sender kitty 1, 2, 3, and with different messages. And you can see here is my my messages right here. And yeah, that's it. That is my app. I hope you enjoy it. We can actually inspect it, make sure there's no errors running. So yeah, thank you for watching.